Hi, hello buddies. I am RJ Rohita, grade 8 from Primbat's Garden School. This is the message from Savitri by Arabindo. In the hidden strength of her omnipotent will, driven by her breath across lives tossing deep, through the thunder's roar and through the windless hush, through fog and mist where nothing more is seen. He carries a sealed orders in his breast. Thank you, bye.
Hello buddies, நான் உங்கள் ஆர்ஜே தேஜஸ்வினி கிரேட் 5B from Purambat's Garden. Today's Karmayogi Appa message is torture is the human version of unflinching ecstasy or intolerable ecstasy. Thank you, bye.
வணக்கம் மக்களே, பேக் டு ஹெவன் எக்ஸ்ப்ளோரர். நான் உங்க ஆர்ஜே கனிஷா, கிரேட் 6 ஃப்ரம் பிரிம்பட்ஸ் கார்டன். இன்னைக்கு நம்ம ஷோல பார்க்க போற பிளேஸ் த ஹில் ஸ்டேஷன் வித் ரிச் கொலோனியல் ஹிஸ்டரி னு சொல்லுவாங்க. கேன் யூ கெஸ்? Shimla tourism. Shimla is the capital of Himachal Pradesh and a popular hill station among Indian families. Situated at the height of 2,200 meters, it was the summer capital of British India. The hill station still retains its old world charm with beautiful colonial architecture, pedestrian-friendly mall road and a ridge lined up with multiple shops, cafes and restaurants. Shimla is well connected with many cities and is just 4 hours from the nearby city of Chandigarh. The city has an airport as well. However, there are not many daily flights from here. The railway station connects Shimla with the plains and is famous for the Kalka-Shimla train route, a UNESCO-listed World Heritage Site. Shimla is often covered along with nearby towns or Kufri, a hill station, almost always covered by snow and shale. Famous for a huge palace and the highest cricket ground in the world. Tourists also visit the famous Jaku temple and engage in sightseeing at various viewpoints during their trip to Shimla. The weather is pleasant for the most of the months, with tourists flocking especially during the summer months. The winters are cold with some days of snow from mid-December till February end. And இந்த இன்ஃபர்மேஷன் யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருந்துச்சுன்னா கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க, லைக் பண்ணுங்க அண்ட் ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க. மறக்காம பெல் பட்டன் ஐகான் ப்ரெஸ் பண்ணுங்க. நெக்ஸ்ட் ஷோவில் இன்னும் இன்ட்ரெஸ்டிங்கான பிளேஸை பற்றி பார்க்கலாம்.